Welcome to the call, Jackie. Great to
Thank
have
you.
you here.
Thank you for having me.
You're welcome. Welcome. Thanks for being here. So, as a mastermind member, let me ask you a couple questions. When did you join the Crypto Renegades? How long have you been in the group?
About 4 months ago.
4 months. Okay.
Yeah.
Where were you, like, revenue wise before joining the group? I mean, did you have a career, another job, business?
Yes, I am an entrepreneur. I'm an electrician general contractor. So that was going well. That's where my money was coming in from. But this was not something that I was always interested in. I started in spot, like I just bought a few coins here and there. But then I don't know, I guess social media is just a window open for you to, I don't know, learn more. So I got
Yeah.
interested. I bought a course and I started learning futures and it was going okay. I entered, like when I started trading futures, it was the bull market. So I think
Oh, yeah.
it's easy to make money in the bull market. And then, things started changing. I guess the bear market came. I've never experienced this. So, we started going sideways. There wasn't much profit. Like I was gaining and I was losing. So I'm like, it's time for me to kind of no more. And, that's why I made the decision. I jumped on a couple calls with you guys and I'm like, okay, I want to give it a try. And ever since I joined, I feel like things are starting to click. Like I learned through a course with the basics and one specific strategy. And then when I joined the Crypto Renegades, I went through like the roadmap for new traders. I followed everything. I started drawing my charts and everything was like, now it starts to make sense. So now I could say that I'm winning more than what I'm losing, which is the purpose of this, right? Like, it's
Yeah.
not like I always say I'm not where I want to be, but I'm better than I thought I would be. So being 4 months in, I'm like super happy with where I'm at right now.
That's awesome. Yeah. I see you posting wins in the wins wall and sometimes double and triple digit gains.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
yeah. And you probably realize, I mean, you probably knew this before, but, like you said a minute ago, you think you can only make money when the market's going up. But obviously, we make money in both directions. And Crypto Renegades, we don't really care. I mean, yeah, we want price appreciation. We want the Bitcoin to go to the moon and, crypto in general to go up. But even when it's not, and even when we're in a bear market, we can accumulate a lot more crypto on the way down. We can make money on the way down, up, down, and sideways. So once you understand support and resistance and breakout patterns, and it really doesn't matter.
Right.
Opens
Right.
up a whole new world of profit.
And that was one of the things that got me into this because I'm like, okay, I could buy spot, hold it and then sell it, which is what I did. Like I bought Bitcoin when it was 55 and I sold it when it was 126. But then you see that there's this possibility that you can, make money on the way up and make money on the way down. So it's like, why not? And I wanted to get into a group where you can learn. And at the same time, like you guys give signals all the time, right? So, and it's not only you and Chad is like, there's a bunch of great traders in the community. So it's like, I can learn and I can make money in, meantime, right? So it's not,
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
it's a win-win for me. Like I'm still learning, but I'm still making money.
Absolutely. And like for the people who are watching this who may not understand what spot means, and spot basically is just when you're trading without leverage. If the price goes up, if you go long and the price goes up 5%, you made 5% gain on whatever your margin was, whatever you're risking there. But the other option is futures trading, where you trade on futures with leverage. And so if that same scenario happens and the price goes up 5%, instead of just making 5%, you make 5% times or multiplied by whatever your leverage is. So if you have $1,000 on a trade and it goes up 5%, you made 5% on $1,000. But if you're at 10x leverage, you made 5% on $1,000 times 10. And so that's why we coined the phrase crypto wormhole, because we're helping people understand that they can collapse time, get much further along in a much shorter period of time by understanding the leverage factor. So when you first joined and learned about leverage, were you worried? Were you concerned? Was it scary?
Well, it was a little bit confusing. Like I knew about leverage, but I thought that it did matter in regards to like, okay, I was scared to like do 50x and then I learned that, it does not matter. It's the risk that matters, right? So for me, like rule number one is always risk management. And I might not make a lot, but I am, I'm taking care of my capital, which I think is more important because if I lose my money, then I won't be able to trade. So that was one of the main things I understood. It kind of clicked. I'm like, oh, so it's not like I could, if I'm sure about my setup, then I can go, 50x and not worry about it. because I know that, I know what I'm risking. So I guess I refined my risk management, and I think it's one of the, it's very important to know, because everybody can just go and open a trade. But if you don't know how much you're going to lose, then what are we doing, right?
That's right. Yeah, that's very important. In fact, Chad says it all the time, and I always reiterate, is that it doesn't really matter what your leverage is if you understand proper risk management.
Exactly.
And, a lot of people like, Nico, I see you trade with 19x or 10x leverage. How come you're not trading with 50x or 100x? And what they don't understand is that if you see my open position, I'm at 20x leverage or 10x leverage. That's because I just entered the position. I'm setting my risk management up. I'm putting my stop loss in place, and my TP, my take profit target in place. And once I see it move in the right direction and get to the point where I can literally move my stop loss to break even, then I can raise my leverage to 50, 80, 100x.
Yes.
I can increase my contracts, and I have no risk of losing anything because I'm already in profit and my stop loss is already in profit. So even if it reverses,
and then I can use that money and open another position, right? So that's the type of thing that I did not know, and that now I can take advantage of, because if I have an open operation that it's already, my stop loss is already at break even or in profit, then I can raise my leverage and then use that margin for another position. So it's like I am managing my capital better, right? So that for me, that's a priority.
Yeah. And you're doing good at it. And so that's just simple little tweaks that people need to understand, because I think sometimes when they join, or even if they don't join, they're just learning about it. They think that, yeah, but what if it goes against you? Will I lose my house? Will they come after me for the money? Like, they don't really understand, where is this leverage coming from and who's giving me that money? Like, if I only have $1,000 in my account and I trade with 100x leverage, that means I'm trading with $100,000. Where does that money come from? And so people don't really get that concept. And it's the platform that provides the leverage, but they're not depositing the money in your account so that you can go and lose it. The leverage is a mathematical equation between the percentage move in the market. So if the market moves 1% with no leverage, you can only make 1%. That's the most you can make. If you have $1,000 on that trade, you make 1%. If you have 10,000 on that trade, you make 1%. But with leverage, what it does is it shortens the distance from your entry point to the potential move in the market. So if it goes 1%, you're at 100x leverage, you just made 100% on that 1% move in the market. And
yes,
but the higher the leverage, and here's the key, the higher the leverage, the closer your liquidation is to your entry. But as long as you have room for stop loss, it doesn't matter how high your leverage is. And when people really grasp, it makes
and I think I was on one of the webinars the other day. I just like to jump in and see, curious to see what people are saying. And somebody was saying that this sounds too good to be true. And I'm like, well, it's very good. But once you master the skill and the ability to do it, it sounds too good to be true, because you can easily turn $1,000 into $10,000 in a day if you know what you're doing. So for me, this is like, I am all in this, and I just want to, master the strategy that I'm using, because that's my goal, right? Like I know that this is true and that's doable because I have seen people do it. You just have to take the time and do the work.
Yeah, absolutely. And as you know, we got people in our group, and you've been in for 4 months, but we have people in our group that have been in for, a year, only a year, not even much longer than you, who've made over 7 figures in that year, over $1 million. TJ comes to mind, and we got, Michael and Jeff and a few other guys who've done multiple 6 figures.
Oh, they're doing great. Michael keeps like 10 times his account. And I'm like, wow, he is amazing. I don't know how he can handle so many operations at once, but he already got it. So it's like, he rides the way up and then he's ready to write it down. And that's what you need to learn.
Yeah. And the good thing about it is that there's no one strategy. I mean, you can be a scalper, you can be an intraday trader, you can be a swing trader, you can be a long-term hold trader. And the good thing is that, like, in our group, we show you all the different ways and all the different strategies, and you can pick the one that's more, comfortable for your style, your personality, your time restraints, whether you're working during the day, you got a 9 to 5, or you're busy until night. There's different strategies for different time frames, and also just what you're comfortable with. Some people just love just getting in and out and just making as much money as possible.
Yes.
And some people just won't want all that action. Yeah.
Yes. And that's, I think I never thought, like when I joined the Crypto Renegades, I thought that, okay, this is a school. They're going to teach me what they do, like just one way or how, one system. You're in and you see all these different traders with different strategies. Like sometimes I try not to confuse myself. I'm like, okay, I'm going to stick to one I'm going to see if that one works before I even try anything else. So, but you will see different styles. So it's like you have at least one or two that you're going to resonate with and that are going to align with the way that you want to trade. So for me, it's like there's so much information that you have more than what you need to choose from. That knowing different strategies is not like you're doing everything. You have your strategy, and then Chad has his strategy, and then we have John and Jeff and Ryan, and everybody's like they're doing their own thing. Sometimes I get on the calls because I want to see. I'm just curious. It's not that I'm going to trade like they're doing it, but there might be something in there that is of my interest, right? And that might help me be better. And having this calls like every week, I try to get in all the calls, at least for, to listen, because there's always new information. And with the market like changing, so that was one of the things, like I was just left behind. So I'm like, no, I have to do something about it. I don't want to be left behind. So it's like here, you have everything that's happening, and we're trying to adjust to the market because things are changing.
I tell people, it's like, well, they're like, well, what strategy do you use? I use them all, but it's all about when you use them. Like I could be swing trading, and if I see a trade set up for a scalp, I'll take it. I'm not going to say, well, I don't scalp anymore. I'll scalp it. It's like walking down the road and you make $100,000 your job, but you're walking down the road and you see $1,000 laying on the ground. Are you going to not pick it up because you make $100,000 a year at your job? Right. It's an extra $1,000 right there. So that's a scalp. That's like we're hanging out. We're looking at the charts. I'm in a trade right now, but I see, oh, here's a nice little scalp set up right here. I can ignore it if I do, but I can take it and just pull money right off the table just like that. Exactly. So when you know all the strategies, you use them when you need them. Yeah.
And that, like with me, I learned one strategy, and that's how I started. And then it was not enough. It was not working out because I needed more context in general. So when I joined the Crypto Renegades, that's when I feel like it opened the world of trading for me, because I started seeing more and more, and all different people trading in different ways. I still use my trading strategy, but I take what works for me from different strategies. And even though my goal is to like just swing trade and take 2 trades a week or 2 trades every 2 weeks, I always say I want to swing trade to live the life I want to live, but I want to scalp because I want to have fun. Like I enjoy scalping. So it's like, I want to be able to do both things. And if you learn this, then I don't know, like I have fun scalping.
Yeah, me too. Even if I'm in a trade and I leave my house and I have to run some errands or go to the store or whatever, I just pull my phone up and I have I have my trading app right on my, my iPhone. And it's so funny because I could be in a car at the red light. I could be, at the grocery store walking. I just pull it up and I'm like, I can just enter a trade right here, go in the store, come back out, close it. That's a scalp. And it's like, so when you realize this, I always tell people, it's like, I don't care what you do for a living. I don't care how much money you make doing what you do. I don't know of anything else out there that you can literally do at the same time or concurrently with your other business or job in your spare time and make another 6 figures or even more per year, because you can literally pull money out of the Ethernet, right?
Yes.
And, it doesn't matter if you're at work or in a car or in your kitchen or in your bed. It doesn't really matter. But
I opened a short today, like at a traffic light, and I shouldn't be saying this, but I did it, right? I was driving and got to the area where I wanted to do it, and I'm like, oh, I'm going to miss it. So I just, opened a short, and then when I got to my place, I, looked at my trade and put my numbers in just to make sure that I didn't lose anything. But yes, and it worked out, and it's still open and I'm making money. So it's like, how can it get better than that?
Great.
Yes.
There's really not many other things out there that you can do that, right? So,
no. So I'm happy. I am very happy, with what I've been learning with the community, with everybody in the Crypto Renegades. Like, awesome. I haven't met like in online one person that you say, oh, this person is like, everybody's willing to help. And when you're in a community like that, it's like, how can you lose, right?
Right. So real quick, a lot of people, they might watch this and they might say, well, yeah, but I don't understand. What do you do when you get in? What's happening in this group? So just to break it down, like, when you first join, there's a process. Obviously, the first thing you do is you get on onboarding with Bill, and Bill goes through all of our platforms, how we set up your trading account, get you in our Discord group, make sure you know how to turn on notifications, how to find all the signal channels and turn your notifications on, and where all of the recordings for all the live calls are in our private group and our membership area, where all the step-by-step tutorial. So once you get onboarding. You're literally going to be walked through step by step how to find everything, where everything is. And then, of course, our live call schedule where about 15 hours a week of live calls. I'm on 3 days a week for about 2 hours each day. Chad's on a couple days. Bill's on, Bill's on 4 times. I think he's got 2 basics calls and 2 onboarding calls. And then we got 4 or 5 other traders that alternate on Sundays. So over 15 hours of live trading. So with all that being said, how did you find that process of going through the getting set up phase?
Well, it's quick. When you sign up, I signed up Thursday when you were doing Thursday's webinars. So I signed up Thursday, and then on Friday I got on one of your calls, and then I think right after it was onboarding, and then I made sure that for at least 2 weeks after I would get on every call, your calls, Chad's calls, everybody. I just wanted to see how it works. I went through like the videos in the school, and then like I said, Bill has a great roadmap for new traders. Like if you follow that, there's no way to get lost. So it's like, I don't know if everybody's going to be the same, but I came in determined to learn and master this skill. So I'm not going to pay money just so I can join the calls once or twice a month. It's like, you have to put in the work. You really have to do this, right? Like, so it's not magic. It's not overnight. Like people see me and they're like, oh, you trade in. How did you do it? I'm like, it's not an overnight thing. It's like, you have to do the work. It's simple. It's very simple. Like if you follow the map, you have it all laid out, in the email. It's very clear. Like you go into Discord. I know it's a lot of information, but if you ask, you're going to get an answer.
Yeah. It's very step by step.
It is. Like for me, it wasn't hard at all. Like you just, you guys are very clear, like on what you're saying. Just get on the calls and ask the questions, and that's it. That's how you're gonna learn. But I know there are sometimes people who, they expect magic to happen when there's no work to put in, right? So if you put in the work, you're gonna get good results. But overall, it's simple. Like you just follow the videos and get on and practice. Like, Chad in one of the school videos, he said, get on the charts, draw it and send it to me. And that's exactly what I did. I was never drawn in a chart before. I never did it because I learned one strategy that had a couple indicators, and that's what I was using. So I got on, I drew my levels, I drew my lines, and I sent it to Chad, and he looked over and he gave me his feedback, and then, I started going from there. So
right. And we do that on the live calls too, if you need it. So yeah, that's awesome. That's awesome. So listen, I thank you for your time and everything, but if there was somebody watching this right now and they've maybe been on the webinar, maybe they watched some of my YouTube videos and maybe watched even other testimonials from existing members, what would your advice be to them if they're on the fence, they're not sure if they should join or not? They want to learn how to trade. What would you tell them?
I always say, if you want to be successful, you have to surround yourself with successful people, right? So if you're on the fence, or I know sometimes money, it's not all there, or, like I think that when you really want something, you will find a way. And I know you guys have different options for every person, right? So like you guys work and try to make it simple and easy for everybody who really wants this. Because I remember we spoke a couple times and you said, well, let me know, we're here to help. But I really wanted it. So I went out and I found, I borrowed the money and I said, I'll pay you back. I need to do this. So I did that, and I know that it was going to work. Like, don't get in with a negative mindset. Just get in, thinking that, yes, it's going to work out. You put in the work and it's going to work out. It's simple. And you guys make it simple, different strategies. I'm sure you're going to find one that works for you. It's not an overnight thing, but it works.
Yeah, we have a formula. And if you just follow the steps and do what we're showing you, you're going to get the same results.
And that's exactly what Chad said. Like, this is the system. If you learn the system, there is no excuse. Like, it's going to work out. I know it gets tough. And right now, especially with how things are going. But for me, what I learned here complemented very well what I already knew. So this is in my case. But if you're new, I'm sure you can find something in here that works for you.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, Jackie. Thank you so much for being here.
No problem.
I'll see you in the mastermind. And
I will.
Have a great rest of your week.
You too. Thank you.